Man, a mother love me animal left the court. So you don't know out the road.
Believe
for the youth them freedom.
Believe
stay out of trouble.
Is a must,
mother love me, I tell you the motivation, brother.
Don't be nice youth, believe youth. Courthouse and fucking jailhouse not nice, my friend, believe.
Mother love.
A mother love said that.
Mother love. Yeah, I don't know me animal in the video man I will. Yeah man.
Yes, I don't live nowhere. So I me a blood clot walk with. Yes, I don't live nowhere, so I me a walk with. See that? Yes, I don't live nowhere. So I me a walk with. Yes, I don't live nowhere, master. So I have to walk with it to blood clot, eh? Yes, I don't live nowhere.
We not invite them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Clabadem TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Little John, I tell us, Lord, this Vegas. Listen, let me drag back your memory. All over me girl, all over me. She no ramp with me, let me drag back your memory. Back to back, belly to belly. Don't care whether me love. You think of that? Clark's boot it up. Wall up your foot, I show your Clark. I sing to you the one of them songs. Vegas, watch yourself. Yeah? Don't come in on my lane. Tristan Palmer, Michael Palmer. You understand? Barrington Levy. You understand? You know, none of them the league there. None of them the man the name of me I call. None of them the league there. You understand? The real league me I tell about. Tuna Reed, Half Pint. You understand? When me hear Exile, it was just a little baby with just come off of your mother's breast. And I talk about, we are talking about Vegas. Watch yourself, man. You know much pressure me go under to build this. That sugar mine that have to come tell the world, say, I want to know fastest student this, Little John. You understand? And me, I do them things better. And me people are following us in there. You understand? You know, your pinchers come, even pinchers come make you know. You don't have some man who in the land, like sugar mine at Little John, at them are around the 13. Remember that. What do you think? Eh? When we run things, you know, burn it, Vegas. So keep out your mouth, brother. I don't want you coming at this. No, you coming at my lane. You understand? You know, response in that lane. Yeah. You understand? You just stay in your lane, brother. That's all me I tell you. You understand? True, we don't push up. We don't push up. And we not beg for OD. Actually, we don't push up on them something. They want to shoot up. We don't push up, guy. You understand? We can't come on the medium just like you every day and go on like me, I idiot. But me, I know you that, brother. You understand? Know yourself, brother. Don't even go that route there. You understand? Cause you don't know when me have my song when I'm romantic, cause them something that me get dancehall thing outer. Me sing J style outer. Black traffic and them. Black traffic. Some girl have black traffic. See me with Rosie. I want to hear Vegas. Behave yourself, man. And look at John, listener. Eh? Soon just come thief for people things all the while and people not saying nothing and people just hold them corner. Eh? You not get away with this, Vegas. Or if you come take, you can't get away with this. You know how much people place in the world me go? How much trophy me get throughout the world? Eh? For this? Vegas, watch yourself, man. And me don't talk, yeah? Cause you're a baby to this. You understand? Remember, when you're not a little boy, when no matter I play a little John in the house, I play the big song them. And me make you come try do this. You understand? Well, if a man tell me, say, well, give me my credit, no found don't do it, because what you want to come overthrow me thing. You can't overthrow me thing, Vegas. Watch it. You understand? Little John said that, and I'm out.
Fire, rage him yesterday, man. Cloud with him. Now we clocks and we get back covered him. Yo, devil, how you make you war sweet, sir? I'll be a gunshot, just a beat, sir. Over north, southwest, and east, so crucial like the streets, sir. M-Town. Them boy, they no fears we. I carry beef to devil like PST. And I tell we both fucking war. Them finno say how we run the bakery, Them boy, they no fears we, cause we like sweet like PS3.
Man, a mother love me animal left the court. Say you don't know out the road.
Believe,
For the
man.
youth them freedom.
Believe,
Stay
man.
out of
Freedom
trouble.
is a must, man.
Mother love. Me I tell you them motivation, brother.
Don't
Stay
they
out of
nice
trouble.
youth, believe
Mother love.
youth,
Tell them.
believe youth. Courthouse and fucking jail out not nice, my friend, believe.
Mother love.
And mother love said that.
Mother love. Yeah, I don't know me and him on the video, man. I will.
Yeah, man.
We just a live.
Stop
St. Elizabeth Court. I will tell you them stay out of trouble. Take care of your mother, youth. Motivation. Go find something to do, brother.
Yeah,
No
man.
bad mind the next man for them thing.
Ah, boy. They say if every truth fit that, there's no peace on earth. Pull up. Uno selector from my community, me come board. HQ, big up yourself. Ever give young artists his strength. Big up the yourself to the fullest. You hear that? Bad mind no go nowhere. Grudgeful no go nowhere. Uno selector we a bench artist. Member. One day them a rise. Young artists are gonna rise to one day. Just like how the big artists then rise. Young artists them a work for rise to. Member good. Bad mind no go nowhere. Dirty heart no go nowhere. Clean and a pure in heart. Pull up one at a mud. HQ, big up yourself again. Big up yourself, my Dan. Continue do your good work. Play a young artist song. You hear? That.
Never land, drop the crown, we a send for another one. Them a one like for me or Damien. Scholar flying all the way from Cayman. Drop the eggs on the pole, fly afloat. Big couple money chang like a rope. We spend money like we a sell coke, I be dreaming. Bam money we a float, hilltop badness. Say your money we gone for choppy line every day now. Honey line man clean and fresh. Chopper lifestyle, girl alone be impressed. One press pan the button mark X. Skull get chopped, your tongue they go and vex. Bang the line then rebel and drop. Cyber crime we study art.
Pull up again.
We fly when
What you mean? One of some of my team. Step up the scream. Give a thanks, my
the eggs pan the pole fly afloat. Big couple money chang like a rope. We spend money like we a sell coke, I be dreaming. Back money we a float, hilltop badness. Say your money we gone for choppy line every day. Now turn up papa, invest couple millions, build one plaza. Money can't done, we a walk with brat. A big house by the hill for me mother living a.
I keep my shit in the mouth to no two boy. Yo, no need to come out find me that. I wanna do you. Yo, I wanna try to change the culture. Man no hug up in a Jamaica, me no care who that I coulda your mother, coulda your father. Every day on the proof to the internet more and more, so no boy a fish. No boy a fish, bad man is nothing but fish. Yo, me no sponsor who the people. If I lie me, I tell me say, no boy can't hug me up, my brother can't hug me up. If my mother die tomorrow, my brother can't hug me up. Me no, bro, we are Jamaican bad man, no start try to change the culture. You don't need to come off our internet. You nobody no care if you no want hug up bad man. Why not do it on the media? Yo, we have look up in here and watch the internet, dog. Children live on the other end. Me don't want to look up in them grow up and feel like it's okay if the two boy hug up. Brother, no come off our internet bad man with no nastiness. I want to try to change the culture yard. Two boy no hug up a yard bad man. Me don't care who. Not even my brother care. If my mother drop out of man, my brother care. We don't do hug up bad man. You know. Bro, if now we're American, we could understand, but this is not in our Jamaican culture. I want to try to change the culture, boy, you embrace man for life. We don't do them things they are yard, bad man. What is wrong? Yo, no come out find me that, bro. If you don't want to hug up with no girl and go hug up in the private, because we know we hug up long time in a bad man. So.
No, don't worry yourself. I soon call me, but why make me not answer? I never have no money. But me have money now, man, so me have to answer the phone now, man. You hear that? Because I see you all on call me and I notice someone not really see me. I'm in the pan FYP and I soon call me. But I'm good here now, man. Link me now.
You understand me? I wasn't doing something right for them. You understand me? To be taken away from me, that means that I wasn't a good parent. I wasn't being the mom or the dad that was supposed to be. You see me? So everybody I come over social media look hype and I talk about this. But I'm telling you my two take about this now. You see me I say? I got telling you my two take. I say everybody I bash the youth, them say them use Rosalie and them do this to Rosalie and them do that. The youth them not do nothing to Rosalie. Although me no know them youth there. People say them a batty boy, I'm in a big up batty boy around, I mean I like batty boy. See? But me say them a swim the wrong part. Lucky for them. But for each who's own. Cause me nah take up for the youth them. Me don't know nothing about them. It's what people put in the media and I'm not gonna believe that them say them unalive Naya and all these things. You see me, I never see it with my 2 eyes, so I can't come out and talk about things when I do not know. You see me, I say, I'm not the type of people to come and put story on people or make up anything on people. You see me, I say, so if the people them out there judge the youth them the wrongful way, want to stop it, because remember God not sleep, you know. See?
Willis, kneel. You myself knows a feeder scale, and I represent what? Club them TV. The ear, paper. Make sure you subscribe and share. Club them TV. Feeder scale is out here. The ear, Willis. You myself know. Come on, baby, make me kneel it in. Come on, baby, make me drive it in. Come on, baby, make me knock your ear. Kneel. Club them TV. The ear, Willis.
You understand me, where she can talk up. You know what I mean? She have the publicity here. We have over social media and people like her. You see, if Rosalie did have a body and pretty and look good, nobody can talk to her. Nobody can talk to her in any form or way. You see me, I say? But lucky for she, them do what them do over social media, them make a name. But it's when they come to Pitney, so when it come to kids, Rosalie, I put every single blame on you. You think Akeem or anybody could have make a next woman who really did it for them kids and love them kids, pull them away, so them could have lose them kids? No. So on out there blame the youth them, me put every blame on blood clot Rosalie. Cause she gets her Rosalie, I look hype and she a look fame. She want to the spotlight. They want to be the biggest thing over TikTok. That's what they want to be. You feel like say, if these people would have been responsible, and you say, all right, you're a TikTok personality, and on out there do nothing, you're gonna find places, a person.
Pull up after you and I first and last. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
Pull up. I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up. I want a tamot.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care what get it coulda walk or run. Somebody better figure sharp and gun. The war start and I got done. Them a try to aggravate me. The pussy them a try